Many people grow up speaking one language. They might assume that everyone else does too. In reality, the opposite is true. More than half of the world's population speaks two or more languages. Being bilingual is more common than being monolingual. Bilingualism is not limited to any particular region or culture. People become bilingual for many different reasons. Some people grow up speaking two languages at home. Others learn a second language in school or through immersion. No matter how people become bilingual, one thing is clear. Speaking more than one language has significant benefits for the brain. These benefits impact people throughout their lives. Not all bilinguals are the same. People experience bilingualism in different ways. These differences depend on several factors. These factors include the age at which they learned each language, how frequently they use each language, and their proficiency in each language. Compound bilinguals learn two languages from birth. They develop a single set of concepts for both languages. Coordinate bilinguals learn their second language later in life. They develop separate conceptual systems for each language. Subordinate bilinguals learn their second language through their first language. They often rely on their first language to understand and produce their second language. Regardless of the type of bilingualism, all bilinguals have developed the ability to switch between two languages. This skill strengthens the brain in unique ways. Language is a complex process. It involves multiple areas of the brain. While the left hemisphere is often associated with language processing, bilingualism engages both sides of the brain. The left hemisphere is involved in analyzing the grammatical rules and structures of language. The right hemisphere plays a role in processing the emotional nuances and contextual cues of communication. For bilinguals, both hemispheres work in concert. This is because they are constantly managing two languages. They are switching between languages, translating words and phrases, and suppressing interference from the language they are not currently using. This constant juggling act strengthens the connections between different brain regions. It enhances overall cognitive flexibility. Language learning and brain health, the power of neuroplasticity. The brain is not static. It is constantly changing and adapting in response to new experiences. This ability to change is called neuroplasticity. Learning a new language is a powerful way to stimulate neuroplasticity. Research has shown that bilingualism increases gray matter density in certain brain regions. Gray matter contains the cell bodies of neurons, which are the building blocks of the brain. Increased gray matter density is associated with improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. Dispelling the myths. The cognitive advantages of bilingualism. There was a time when some believed that bilingualism could be detrimental to cognitive development. This myth has been debunked by numerous studies. These studies show that bilingualism offers several cognitive advantages. Bilinguals tend to perform better on tasks that require attention, inhibition, and cognitive flexibility. This is likely due to the constant mental workout they get from managing two languages. For example, bilinguals are better at ignoring distractions, switching between tasks, and adapting to new situations. These cognitive benefits are not limited to language-related tasks. They can extend to other areas of life, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and even creativity. Furthermore, the cognitive benefits of bilingualism can be seen throughout the lifespan, from childhood to old age. Even starting to learn a language later in life can have positive effects on brain health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Learnopia content.